mga ka-journey, nandito po ako ngayon sa kibbutz and overlooking the sea, and you can see that yellow thing floating over there. That is the border line between Lebanon and Jerusalem and Israel. And it's a cable. Look at that cable.